We've integrated control with Microsoft's Power BI software, so you have the benefits of interactive visualizations that tell the story behind the numbers right on your mobile device or PC. In this video, I will demonstrate how it works. Your control application is a treasure chest of actual forecast and plan data that you can use to create all of your managerial and external reporting. However, sometimes a picture is worth 1,000 words. Here is a standard variance report that can be easily and quickly rotated, expanded to detail, and drilled all the way back to transactional source data. However, in this tabular format, it is sometimes difficult to intuitively understand cause and effect relationships or to readily determine if strategic initiatives are helping achieve financial and operating performance targets. Now you can elevate the value of your control repository with at-a-glance visualizations that provide richer transparency into performance and empower data-driven decisions and actions. You can use any control view to create a Power Pivot model, to export data to a tabular model in Microsoft's Analysis Services, the preferred data source for Power BI reports. To create a new Power Pivot model, go to the Object Navigation task pane and select Model. Then right-click on Power Pivot and click New. In the New Model dialog, enter the name of the model and select the base model in View to use as the data source. You can also override the default Power Pivot options if required. When everything is good, click OK and Edit to open the Edit book for the Power Pivot model. To see all the available export options, go to the Control Model ribbon above and click the down arrow under the Export button. Select the Create option to generate and export the Power Pivot model fact and dimension tables to a tabular model in Analysis Services. The other export options can be used after the model has been produced to keep the information updated in Analysis Services. Also, any of the options can be scripted to run on a predefined schedule. Now that the data has been exported to Analysis Services, open the Power BI desktop software to begin creating your visualizations. First, click Get Data. Now select the SQL Server Analysis Services database as the data source, and then click Connect. Enter the name of your server and database. Click Import, and then click OK. Expand the database and select the dimension and fact tables, and then click Load. You now see the tables as available fields in the task pane. You can select a visualization and then define it by clicking on the information from the available fields. I will first create a slicer to select different variance data elements. For example, current month and year-to-date budget and forecast data and variances. Now I will create a chart to display the data by summary account. Finally, I will create another chart to display the data by division. Wasn't it amazingly quick and simple to connect and integrate control data with Power BI and begin developing visualizations that turn data into valuable intelligence? You can open your Power BI reports from the Control Application menu. Here is an example of two reports for KPIs and expense analysis. The KPI report displays measures for gauging progress on goals. Notice that actual revenues are better than plan, even though actual overhead expense is worse than plan. However, the overhead ratio is improving, indicating the increase in overhead expense is helping to increase sales. If we go to the expense analysis report, we see expenses by scenario, including variances broken out by account and cost center. Sales and marketing has the highest variance, and when I click on it, you can see the portion of the variance by each account. If I drill down, you can see most of the variances are from the marketing department, which helps explain why revenues are increasing even though expenses are over budget. Such insights are powerful They can energize internal discussions around finances, facilitate collaboration, improve alignment throughout an organization, and nourish quick and confident decisions and actions. Are you ready to get more value from your control data and obtain transformational understanding and insights? Our experienced team can help you leverage the Control and Power BI interoperability quickly and trouble-free. Give us a call today.